Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Ford Ranger front brake pads, updated. First, lift the truck safely, remove the wheel, and remove the caliper to access the brake pads. Wear gloves and eye protection, and keep a clean tray for bolts and clips. Compress the caliper piston with a C-clamp, install new pads, reassemble, torque lug nuts to spec, and test the pedal at low speed before driving. Start by confirming you have a jack stands, lug wrench, 21mm socket, C-clamp, brake cleaner, and the correct pads for your Ranger. Set the parking brake, chock the rear wheels, and lower the truck onto jack stands on a level surface to stop movement. Protect your eyes and hands, keep parts organized in a tray, and never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Loosen lug nuts slightly, lift the truck, and remove the wheel to expose the brake assembly. Unbolt the caliper, hang it with a bungee so brake hose stress is avoided, and slide out old pads. Clean the bracket and piston, compress the piston with a C-clamp, fit new pads, reassemble, torque bolts and lug nuts to factory spec, and test drive cautiously to bed the new pads. Listen for noises and check torque after the first short drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.